Olá, minasan. Thank you. Obrigada, pessoal. Scaling allows the application to react to variable load by increasing and decreasing the number of instances of rows. Ué, acho que não tá pegando minha coisa. Ah, tá pegando sim. Abaixo. Oh, agora sim. Using another services, the application must be designed with this in mind. Which one of these statements is not part of the scaling design principle? Stateless operation to prevent the addition or removal of specific instances from adversely affecting current users. Catching should occur at all levels where appropriate and each layer of the submission. Adopt a leasing model instead of on etc. Talvez esse. Oh, wizard! Que wizard! Seja bem-vindo. How are you? Leonardo. Cadê? Vai aparecer ou não vai? Vai. Escutando a ventoinha do PC. A ventoinha tá trabalhando, pessoal. Ah, era esse aqui? Ah. Pegou um atalho. What type do you to evaluate? Selection option below. Oitinha. Agora é vir estudar. Treinamento já acabou. Select an option below for the data services assessments. See data assessments. Core architecture. What pillars would you want to evaluate it? Performance.
How are you designing your workload to scale? To get your application to scale, you must remove the bottleneck. Depending on your application, the bottleneck may appear to move as various load conditions trigger constraints differently. Common bottlenecks include CPU, memory, disk, and bandwidth. Several mitigation strategies are available. Avoid locking resources. Employ a microservices architecture. Compress data before you transfer, or use the eventual consistency pattern. In addition, better resource utilization techniques can be implemented, including connection pooling, queuing, and background jobs. Scaling can also be achieved by provisioning larger capacity, also known as scaling up, or additional capacity, also known as scaling out. However, just throwing more machines, even if they are bigger and faster at the problem, may not solve issues with inefficient application logic and algorithms. Choose the options you have implemented in your workload to meet your scaling requirements.
What design consideration have you made for performance efficiency in your workload? Ai, eu mordi minha boca hoje, pessoal do céu. 2 vezes, quase que seguida. Muito doendo. As traffic fluctuates into your application, the amount of underlying resources that you need will vary over time. Design consideration have you made for performance efficiency? The workload is loaded in multiple regions. Region, the application architecture is designed to use availability zones. Your application is using microservice architecture. Have you identified the performance targets and non-functional requirements for your workload? You are able to predict general application state. It's important to understand application environment usage. The customer may have an understanding of certain season or incidents that increase user load. Are well-defined performance required for workload and its key scenarios. Targets for scale operations are defined. Horizontal change the number of identical instances. Vertical switching to more or less powerful instances can be fast, but usually take time to complete. Is important is that how this delay affect. Errou! Oi, Nolija! E a gente tá sem o errou aqui. E aí, como que você tá? Boa noite. Está na tela pequena mesmo porque eu estou vendo coisas do treinamento da Microsoft. Não pode ficar gravado. Ver as vagas? Ó, pessoal, tem uma vaga. Me pediram indicação hoje, hein? Quem aí tem aí de 4 a 5 anos de experiência em .NET, C Sharp, e quer se mudar para a Suécia? Alguém? Eu posso indicar agora. Não. Eita. Eu não sei ninguém também. Digo, eu até sei umas pessoas assim. Só que eu sei que eles não vão se mudar pra cá. Coreia, na Alemanha, nos Estados Unidos. Não vão vir pra cá. Já mudaram de país, se arrumaram tudo lá, né? Eles vão mudar de novo de país. Só se eles quiserem muito morar na Suécia, mas eu sei que eles não têm muito interesse na Suécia. Ai. Tô na Suécia, sim. Veio pra cá. Fez 3 meses semana passada. 3 meses na Suécia. E as pessoas que eu conheço que estão no Brasil não têm tanto tempo de experiência. Pode ser 2 anos? 2 anos de experiência.
When application performance improves, the user experience also improves. We need to strike a balance between perceivable latency and tolerable latency. As a guide, human perception is hundreds of milliseconds, while machine interactions could be as low as tens of milliseconds. You may not be able to predict the load characteristics, but estimate as closely as possible. Be aware that performance may degrade as load reaches certain
Não é difícil? Não é difícil, não. Bem fácil. Ele foi feito para ser fácil. Para você conseguir entregar coisas rápidas também.
Design your workload performance goals and
Isso que as empresas gostam.
using industry standard scaling strategies.
Porque as empresas gostam de pedem coisa tudo pra ontem, né? Pra ontem. Mas, tipo, quero agora, amanhã, uma semana. Quer tudo, assim, né? Tudo rápido. Daí o .NET foi feito pra você ter uma produtividade muito rápida, né? How are you ensure that your workload is elastic and responsive to change? Como que a gente pode ter certeza que o nosso workload é elástico e responsivo às mudanças? Primeiro, workload can scale horizontally in response to change load. Scale unit approach should be taken to ensure that each application component and the application as a whole can scale effectively in response to change demand. Acho que isso aqui está certo. Have policies to scale in and scale down when the load decreases. What's here? Configuring scale policies to use approach metric. By performing loading testing, you can evaluate the bottlenecks in your workload and then configure out-scan rules to trigger off the metrics related to this bottleneck. Não sei. Ei, Zoroa! Nem sei que Pokémon é esse. Automatically schedule auto-scaling to adversaries based on time on the day trends. Auto-scan have been tested under sustained load. Talvez. De Node tem vagas? Vamos ver. É meio fraco, eu acho, hein? Ter vagas. E aqui esse link. Na minha empresa, não sei nas outras, né? Talvez o nicho que minha empresa pegou não tenha Node. Talvez na Suécia não tenha tanta. Tem bastante desse embedded, software develop, software de hardware. Estranho, né, pessoal? É hardware, mas é software. Android, Java, DevOps, iOS. Tech Engineer. O que é um Software Engineer? É Android e Java, Kotlin. Então, cadê aquele... Cadê? Eu vi um full stack aqui, ó. Stack. Ó, esse aqui é o .NET, hein? .NET Core TypeScript. E outro de Java. Vai ter bastante Java, hein, pessoal? Java, Android. Não sei se esse Java aqui é para Android também. Não, esse aqui é Java Web mesmo. E pode falar que é Java Android também, né? Eu era Java Android antes de trabalhar com Java Web. Eu não sabia. Java Web, o Spring Boot, microserviços com Java, essas coisas assim. Só tinha trabalhado com Java no Android, lá quando eu desenvolvi o aplicativo. A gente desenvolveu um aplicativo nativo na empresa. O core da tua empresa é Microsoft? Então, na verdade, a gente não é uma empresa que faz produtos. É uma consultant. É uma consultoria. Então a gente tem vários clientes. Deixa eu mostrar aqui, ó. Puta, nós, apertei errado. Pra cá. Oi, Ashi! O que a gente. O que eles oferecem, então, ó? Tem esses clientes aqui, ó. Worldwide. Ó, o SQF aqui, ó. O que será que é? Hyperword, Cell, a Volvo, outra Volvo, Neves, What Car. Metade deles é uma empresa da Volvo. Que eles têm, ó. Artificial Intelligence, Mobile, Cloud, Software Architecture, Embedded Integration, Test, Validation e DevOps. Eles contratam e realocam a gente. É isso que acontece. SKF, será que não é aquele negócio do governo mesmo? E não sei. Que negócio do governo? Moon, how are you? Onde a gente foi lá dar entrada no ID? Good. You don't speak Portuguese. Where are you from? We're from Sweden. Germany. Oh, it's next here. It's near. Germany. So do you speak Deutsch? Can go to Germany by by boat. Think you can things from here, from Malmo, and you can arrive here. Takes a lot of time. They say to travel like in the you go in the beginning of the evening and arrive here in the beginning of the morning, but I don't know. Oh, speech dot. I stuck at geography. I always think Sweden is much more to the west. Yeah, that's why I always open the Google Maps to localize me, because I never know where I am. Because I moved here 3 months ago, so I'm not used to like, oh, now Germany it's above me. Norway is next to me. It's so strange because I live my entire life here in Brazil. And then I always think, oh, the Europe is so far away from here. Nobody saw my, I don't know what is that. But I think it was some address that I saved to go to somewhere, I don't remember. Maybe a doctor, dentist. Then we have the Austria here. Portugal is so small. Last week, a person from Slovenia was here at my company. And he said that he lives here in the central, so we'll go 100 kilometers to one side. It's Italy. 100 to other side is the Croatia. 100 to up, it's Austria. It's so funny. All these neighborhood countries are used to me, but when it comes to Norway, Sweden, I can think they are left to England. I have no idea why. Oh, I see. You think they are here? Greenland. When the recruiter told me that they want me to move to Sweden, and I was thinking, oh, Sweden, okay, Sweden is in Europe, right? But I was thinking was like here in the middle of the Europe. And then I realized, oh, it's up here. It's separated. And then when people start to say, oh, the Nordic countries, there are Vikings and all these things. And I never New what was that? What is the Nordic? Where is the Vikings? Where is everything? And then now I learned that it's Norway, Denmark, Sweden, Finland. Yeah. You move from Brazil, go look in the winter. Oh yeah. I am really looking for the winter here. Because I never like the weather from Brazil. Never. I was always complain about Brazil. Sorry, Brazil. I never like it. Your warm temperature every time. But yeah. Are you a programmer? Oh, nice. And look, man, no hands. Wait. You have a big username. Do you want to move to Sweden? We have some positions open here. They're asking me to some refer. Yeah. I already saw snow. Not in Brazil because don't have snow in Brazil, but I saw a little when I went to Japan. And there was a day that was in Yoko. What is the name? I forgot. The country, the last island. Open the Google Maps again. Here, Sapporo, Hokkaido. Yeah, Hokkaido. I was in Sapporo, just walking, and then it starts snowing. And I wasn't expecting snowing because I went there in the sakura in the spring when sakura was growing, and I went to see sakuras growing everywhere. But there in Sapporo, it wasn't spring yet. They're in the winter. There was a lot of snow in the street and was really cold, and then I thought it was starting raining, but it was actually snowing, and I hadn't winter clothes to snow. And then I just entered in some clothes store and bought a snow jacket. Was really cold. Whoa. And I didn't have the right clothes to that. That's why I felt so cold. I'd love to move away from, yeah, really. But I'm mostly interested in Northland Island. Oh, I see. Not me, yeah, not me in Japan. Hey, Meiyosla! It's not working. Crop is there. Okay. Yeah, I wasn't cozy there. But after I bought a jacket, I was warm enough to stay there. That animation gave me anxiety. Why? Because they are really slowing. You will land a lot, yeah. Oh no. Thank you so much for following. But okay, but if you other job in Ireland, feel free and apply to our positions here. If you're fit in some position, you can just send hi to me and then I will refer you. I don't know if they're looking for C programmers. Actually, I think they do. They're looking for some embedded software engineer. And this embedded, I don't remember if it's C or C++. But if you know C, you know C++. There's not a lot of difference, I think. Like when I learned C, just C in the college. And then I didn't know that I could programming in C++. And then I started programming some games in C++. And I didn't see the difference actually. It was pretty was natural because I already learned C and then I started using C++. So yeah. You don't do software in C. I hate myself, but not that bad. I see. I gave up on C++ when I couldn't reach the error message anymore, and this fire was the actual problem, so I went back to C. Oh no, really? What happened? Your error wasn't in the Stack Overflow? You were the first one with not finding, or first person to open the first question about some subject. I was wondering if everybody goes through Stack Overflow and ask to their problem, and everybody goes there and find the solution or some kind of things to solve their problem. When was the first person that had that problem for the first time? How they solved the problem? I was thinking about it. Was the first person that put the first answer there. C++ templates happened. Oh no. They just hack it. Yeah. Can be that. Because there's some time that I didn't find my solution on the internet, but after seeing a lot of different ways to do, but not the exactly thing that I wanted, I go to my code, and then I get some part of that, and that, and then I create my own solutions. Hey, Navici, how are you? Good evening. Well, architecture, but I study in a small screen because it's a trainer from Microsoft, and I think I can show you that. We had no internet when I started in code. No way! You started code before the internet? Wow! Could this devil get me position there? Let me see. No internet exists, but we had none. Oh gosh. Your final video. Ah! What? What is that? I'm fine, me too. How was your day, Deficient? You study a lot? That's so nice! And you did that just with C? Without C++? Okay. Use some library to render it. Oh no. That was difficult. If you can do that, you can do my job. My job is much easier than this. Oh, that's cool. I worked with this too. when I was doing some games. Yeah, because every game had to be lights to be cool. You had a hard time. Yeah, I had my professor, my teacher there to show us how to do. So yeah, wasn't so hard because we're just coping, and then we have to do some games with the all the things that the teacher taught us. That's so cool! Congratulations! You're so nice! Wow! I wish I could. I have a demo like that. So nice. Because I said, I didn't support. Oh no! So I had to hack my own. Oh, that looked difficult. Hey, Harry, just finished. And how was it? How is the feeling? You think you're gonna get the job? You're about to cut it my butt, but I don't know. Oh no! Don't cry, don't cry. Wait. And if it was good or bad, don't cry. Just try to do your best every time. I match all the skill they ask on the case beside my partner. Oh, that's great. That's great. If you had all the skill they wanted, so why not to get you? Why not to hire you? At least you tried and give it your best. Yeah, that's true. So nice. And I saw on their face the surprise, like star in there. Oh, that's so cool. So you definitely are gonna get the job. Having your fingers crossed. When they are gonna to answer, to give your answer. Yes. Here. How have you accounted for capacity and scale requirements on your workload? I'm trying to fight against the imposter syndrome. Oh no. Yes. This is a big problem. This imposter that is not real. They're fake. Fight with that. You have a capacity model for the workload. Right again, being useless problem. No. Everybody's fighting your own war. Because this world we are living right now, we are living in a war, in a mind war. You and you. The third position applied to SBI Analytics, and I have to learn more about Azure and all the data stuff. Oh, nice. We have a lot of things in Azure right now that we didn't have it before, like some years ago. And nowadays we have a lot of things. It's so nice. We have so much to learn now. I forgot what Azure is even this anymore. Oh no! If you want to speak a little of Portuguese, by the way, or today's only. Oh no, it's because the look, mom, no hands, we don't speak Portuguese, and I don't speak German, Dutch, because Portuguese don't mind me. Oh no. Break. Yeah. You know, I tried to learn German, Deutsch, once when I was 14 years, and I just was stuck on the numbers. I learned a lot of words, but I couldn't say the pronounce the numbers because it was difficult. We don't have these letters. We had that letters, but not that sound in Portuguese, and I couldn't say the the letters. It was so sad about it. Everybody in the class was saying, but not me. But we continue with the other words, and then we always come back to the number, because numbers is important, right? Like when you're asking to the hours, or you're saying some address, you're saying your telephone number, and yeah, that was difficult. It's difficult for me. I could see the numbers. So. I wrote that Portuguese run and again, and how do I write that word? Portuguese. I get back and I feel me. Okay. Go there, go. You know, I was trying to learn German too. I changed the grammar and meaning 2 times while in school. So I said, is it difficult? Is it? After my roommate got home, Dutch is a little hard, but sounds like English. Yeah. But we have some sound that's really difficult. I keep in my sound these days because English and German numbers saying is so different. I will think of Dutch, that's more like English. And as a German to hear Dutch, it sounds like a drink guy saying it. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. And then after that, I tried to learn Spanish because people say that, oh, you speak Portuguese, so Spanish, it's really similar. It's so easy to learn. It wasn't easy. I think because I'm not from I'm not a person that can learn a lot of languages and stuff. I can learn a lot of formulas, with math and physics. I can learn a lot of things about it. But when it's like the grammar things, I found it so difficult. Only Spanish I know is ¿Cómo estás? Yeah! ¿Cómo estás? Yo estoy bien. ¿Y tú? ¿Estás bien también? Bien también. But the thing that I really know is yo no hablo de español. That's the first thing we learned. No hablas. No hablas. Like in Swedish, I know how to say I don't speak Swedish, and in Swedish, yeah, jag talar inte svenska. But then the person continues speaking in Swedish, and I just say it, and I don't speak Swedish. Why you're speaking Swedish? I don't understand. And then now I have to learn how to say I don't understand you because I don't speak Swedish. Yeah, because just say I don't speak Swedish is not working. Oi, Prioste! So way too complicated to say I don't speak Swedish. Yeah. First, they don't have the not word in the sentence. They have this word inte that I think is the negative thing, and they put after the verb talar. Talar it's speak. If you say talar inte is not speak. And then jag, it's I, talar inte, that not speak, and svenska, it's Swedish, in Swedish, svenska. They don't have not. So strange. Where's the word not? When they say yes or no, they say ja and nee. Nee is the no word, but they don't put anywhere just when you say yes or no, yeah or nay, or they say nay, nay, but they don't put this word in the sentences. That's why it's confusing, because in Portuguese we have the word no, and if you say I don't understand something, you put the no word in that sentence that makes sense. But they don't do that. Nay, nay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's right. Já pegou algum freela no Workana? No Workana nunca peguei. Já peguei no Freelancer. Where is Freelancer? Here. In this site. Workana. Look like similar. Que confuso, entendeu nada. Oh não. Vai que chover este implemento. Yeah. Dá pra tirar uma grana no freelancer? Eu peguei só alguns projetinhos no WordPress. I had to fix some bugs in some plugins there. And the other I had to I think just change something in that plugins in WordPress, but I didn't spend so much. I don't remember how much, but I think I didn't earn so much. Hey, Alu! Hey, Klaus! Too busy smashing people's head. Oh no! My bear was when you go from Portuguese to English. No. Oh no, no. You know, the only time I speak Portuguese is here when I'm doing the live stream, because normally I speak Portuguese here. Because in the day at work we just speak in English, because I don't speak Swedish and everyone else there speaks Swedish, and then they speak Swedish between them, and then when I am in the circle they start to speak in English, and everybody speaks so well. Oh, I have to train my English, I think, because they speak so well. I don't speak like that. No, no, don't say that. Your head must hurt even more than mine now. No, no. Actually, I want to come to some country that speaks English, because I think then I can improve my English with that. Because you know, the last thing I wanted to learn was in English. I didn't like in English. Oh, was the worst subject in the school. But in the school that I have English, we just have verb to be and then the irregular verbs. And I didn't like that. Every year, like for 8 years, I learned the verb to be and irregular verbs. But we didn't actually learn. Because we couldn't speak, we just had some exercise to do and write. And I couldn't understand because I don't know. They said, oh, it's just like Portuguese. You put some noun and the adjectives here, and if you put that, the adverb, it's adjective now. And I couldn't understand because I don't know. I didn't know what is that, even in Portuguese. Because then the Portuguese was my second worst subject in school. But yeah, that was so difficult. And then when I start to learn Japanese, that the language that I really, really know, that I will enjoy to learn, then for the first time, I could learn that what is a noun, what is an adjective, adverb, article, and all the grammar things. I could learn that in Japanese, and now I know what is it in Japanese, but I have some difficulties to check if the words it's something or other thing in other language. So I translate to Japanese and then I translate back to Portuguese and English. Oh, and then I know, oh, this one is this. Because I think it's much easier in Japanese. They have some rules there that we don't have in Portuguese and English. That I think it's really nice. Do you think in English or in Portuguese? When I speak in English, I think in English. And when I speak in Portuguese, I think in Portuguese. What is that, Aludali? I don't speak Spanish. Lat os gora then? What is that, Alu? Quantos idiomas eu falo? Oh, it's just Portuguese, English, and I don't speak French or Japanese. Just that. I don't speak Spanish. I tried to speak Spanish, but I couldn't. And I tried Dutch, but I failed too. It's sueco, but what is that? I know that it's sueco, but I don't know what is that. Gora, dan, el. Let's do L on the third. What? Fazer o L dia 3? 30? Que L? Ah, o L do Death Note? And you try German and then you fail that. Yeah, I failed. You're going to... Ah, politicagem. Ah, ok. What was the L from the Death Note? You know, the L, the light. Right? Oh não, oh não. Quem dera testar. Ela não tá no Brasil, não vai poder fazer o Alien de frente, infelizmente. No. Yeah, I can't. President election. Yeah. Because I didn't know that I would move here before May. And we had to change the election. How do you say they were your zone, election zone, before May, when is the year of the election. So I can't vote. If I really want to vote, I need to go to my zone in Brazil. Adotei o Prio na Steam. Já culpa sua. O quê? Do we have to revoke your Brazil card yet? Yeah. Até tem gente que vota por aqui. Hello, Curta! O que tá fazendo? We are studying the well architecture, but we are studying in a small screen because it's a Microsoft training. So I think I can't show you. Well, I'm showing little small, but I'm not showing the full screen. So I think it's not been a problem. Tem gente que vota aqui, Primo, mas tem que mudar. Yeah. The deadline changes me, yeah. Mas tem que fazer isso aí que a Mi tava explicando. E pra nós passou a hora de fazer, então nós justificamos. So we have to justify her absence this year, yeah. We already justified the first term, and then now the second term we have to justify again. We got no work done, but I enjoyed to talk a lot. Yeah, I enjoyed to talk to you guys. Vou mudar os preços pra cima? Oh, não. Justificativo. Me mudei do caos que tá esse país. Sorry, guys. Oh, não. Fica dando muito react. Tão good. I got an assessment. And now we're come back to .NET. Now I'm coding .NET again, but it's the different way because now it's with Blazor with TypeScript. And I never worked like that before. And it was fun because normally we use Visual Studio to code, right? .NET. But I don't know why, and there's no makes sense. TypeScript is made from the same creators from .NET, Blazor, and everything. Like, not the same person, but the same, like, people, project. And then Visual Studio doesn't work very well with TypeScript. We need to open Visual Studio Code to change the TypeScript because we have the plugins there. And I don't know what's happened with TypeScript on Visual Studio. It doesn't work well. It doesn't, like, when you want to get all the reference from this method to see where's the method it's being used, or to see this variable where they're going to be used and where is it. It's not working in Visual Studio. We need to open the Visual Studio code to change something in TypeScript, and then we come back to Visual Studio to change the razor thing. Well, so crazy because it's both is Visual Studio, right? Why they work different? So weird. You just learned Visual Studio doesn't work with TypeScript. Yeah, because I never had a project that was .NET with TypeScript. Normally is JavaScript, and JavaScript it's normal. They work well for me. And then when I was working with React, Node, with TypeScript, I always use Visual Studio Code, and I never open the project on Visual Studio, the normal Visual Studio. So now that is the same project, because this project, normally we had two projects, one from backend, the other from frontend. But there's some project with .NET, they get everything together, so in the same project, the same physical folder, and then we open the folder on Visual Studio, and we need to change something in TypeScript file, but I couldn't. Then I had to open another IDE, the same projects, to change it. Visual Studio is very strange. Visual Studio doesn't even work with C. We had no idea what it's working with anymore. É por isso que não é necessário, ele é bom só para ajudar a entender melhor o código da mais existe, sabe? Que tanto tipagem. Então, não fica a tipagem no Visual Studio. Fica tudo com erro. Se a gente muda o negócio, não compila. Falou que não tá compilando o negócio aqui. Daí fala, só fecha, abre o Visual Studio Code, muda lá, volta pro Visual Studio e vai compilar. Fala, como? South Park got modernized, but some got stuck in time. Na minha turma, pessoal, usava o Visual Studio, ou JavaScript normal. Eu comecei um projeto novo com TypeScript. E do meu time, eu sou mais esquentei no time. Nossa! Hey, meu Deus! Make it all up, eu estou dando uma prova, 40 questões. Eita! Boa sorte pra você! Obrigada pelo oi. Repeat and scratch, because some part of get modernized, but other since got stuck in time. The way you say studio is insert studio. Yeah, this studio. Is the Portuguese English. The emblemation, they say that. Studio. Beleza, Prio, obrigada aí. Bom trabalho pra você. A gente já vai indo também. E olha lá, velho. We don't do that with syllable stones concerns, so we create a song this is. Yeah! Studio. Because in Portuguese, we don't have that. We need to have a vogal and a consonant with a syllable. If you don't have this, we put one. Eu sou fera do React, até porque a sua biblioteca precisa de mim agora mais do que... Verdade, Gert, verdade. They need you, Gert. And you don't know, Gert. I don't know if it's because you're in Brazil and they want people here or not, or you're not planning to be an intern. But this week, interns started there to React with TypeScript. 2 interns. And you know the name? They are Swedish. They are from here, from Sweden. But the name is Isabella and William. And the curious part is they say Isabella the same way we say it in Portuguese. I even thought they are Brazilian because they say so. The way we pronounce in Portuguese, and when you're talking Swedish with this accent and talking English and everything, and then you say Isabella. So, what? Why are you saying that? That word does not belongs to you. It's not fitting in your language. It's so strange. I heard English people try to pronounce the letter beta. It's in Portuguese is beta. And what star is another star. Star. Yeah, the star is star. Why you reminding me my... Oh no! It's not beta, it's z. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, this z. Whoa. Long time ago. You know, Isabella is the first name of my sister, little sister. The only common name. It's common in Brazil. It's common in Sweden. And I don't know if she is from German as well. But wow. I think it's because of the queen. We have a queen, Isabella, right? I think that's why it's so common around the world. So this is people. Isabella is the third girlfriend name that actually stumbled. So I had some fun. Oh no! No problem, no problem. Gosh. Another particular is the multivowel on the word love, because love. And the last syllable stressed. Love. Some people say that makes Brazilian cute to listen. So cause everything's lovey, hot doggy, and so hot doggy. I don't know. I need to hear you. Todo brasileiro fala love, love. I need to hear more Brazilian people speaking speaking English. Hot dog is the hot dog. Hot dog. I love you. I love you. It's like the what's the dog, the what's the dog again? The husk. The woo. That's so nice. I always go there through just on Instagram and get some dogs saying that. Really like it. Oi, talarina! Acontece a mesma coisa aqui no dia a dia quando a gente fala download. Look, mom does not understand anything that we are saying. Now I remember that Willie will die soon. No! I love that dog so much. You have a husky? Explain to me. Good. Okay, guys, so let's go to where? Let's go to Taberna do Rudera. It's playing Alien Isolation. Thank you so much, everybody here. We love it. Love it here. You're talking, you're chatting. And tomorrow, if you guys not following me on Instagram, follow me there, because tomorrow is not, you're not going to have live stream because we are going to have a Halloween party. So I will record a lot of stories and put there, and you will see my costume because I bought a costume. Not a bought a costume. I bought a part of that, and another part of that it's a makeup that I will try to make. I'm not used to do a lot of makeup, so I tried, and that's it. That's it. You just don't. Oh no, you don't have Instagram. You follow me on Twitter. I will try to put on Twitter as well. Okay. See you. Bye bye. Thank you, everybody. Sayonara.